This isn't just your regular cooler. This was my dad's Cruisin Cooler. This thing has been sitting around for a few years, but in this video, we're fixing it back up because it's car show season and I need to be ripping this bad boy around. As you can tell, the tire is flat, won't hold air, it's covered in dust, spider webs, and the chrome pieces have a little bit of surface rust on them. But the most important thing is that it still runs. So first, let's get on the old interwebs and see if we could get some new parts ordered in. Now that we're waiting for the parts to come in, we're gonna go ahead and wash this thing down. Since it's all electric, I don't wanna just go drown it with a hose. I'm gonna take each section apart and then wash each section by hand. Plasti dip is real fun to remove. Alright, so I ordered the new tires off Amazon and they came in. So we're going to go ahead and get that right one off, which is our issue. And when we remove these, there's a spacer on each side of the tire that we're going to have to make sure we keep in the correct section, because they are specific to inside and outside. Don't you love when 30-minute projects turn into 3 hours because some bolts are stripped? That's a wrap on the Cruisin Cooler refresh for now. This thing came in looking rough and kind of forgotten about. We got 2 new tires on the back, got it rolling smooth, got all the vents repainted and glued back in. The lid was just plasti dip that was in rough shape. So I went ahead and peeled it all off and then gave it a fresh new coat of white paint. The seat was practically brand new underneath the plastic, so I didn't have to luckily do anything with that. I'm definitely happy how this turned out,
and I'm happy I get to go ride it around at all the car shows or maybe just take it down to the winery. If you made it this far in the video, go comment down below what project we should tackle next, or what else should we do to this cooler. I appreciate the support. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow along for more.